channel. Today I'm unboxing this gorgeous planner from Danielle Laporte. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Now, I have had this planner in previous years. I purchased one, I want to say in 2017. 2018 I used a different planner, but now I'm back to this one and I'm obsessed. So today I'm going to talk about why I like this planner and show you what's inside of it. But for those of you who are new, I just wanted to take a moment and introduce myself. Hi, my name is Andrea Jones. I'm a social media strategist, obsessed with social media, love talking about it, and sometimes I like talking about business, entrepreneur stuff, planners, tech, all of that great stuff. So make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. Now, I literally just took this out of the box. So I am going to take the plastic wrapper off and tell you a little bit about Danielle Laporte. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with her work, she is a life coach of sorts, and she has a book, a thing that she does, which is called the Desire Map program. And so I took one of her Desire Map classes a few years back, loved it, and got the planner. So I've taken the plastic off, and this is all about how you want to feel. So her Desire Map program is really how to get there. So like I said, I took an in-person class a couple years ago, absolutely loved it, and have used this as like a journal slash planner to really help me understand how I feel, number one, and number two, just keep track and keep checking in with myself. So this is what the planner looks like. Right when you open it up, you see that Desire Map program, and I still have the workbook actually over here, and I haven't looked at it, or you can purchase it with the planner, or you can purchase it on by itself. I did this, like I said, about 2 years ago, so I should probably go through that and check in, but this is just a planner. So when you open it up, it is numbered for 2020, and the quote right at the beginning says, "Return to your heart, choose your feelings, and create your life with intention." So there's like a letter here from Danielle Laporte and some of her team. There is a little bit about what the Desire Map being, like what that looks like, what the program looks like. And so even if you don't buy the program specifically, you can take a look at the outline here and see what it's all about. It has stuff about astrology, which I don't actually pay too much attention to personally. I mean, I know I'm a Libra, that's about it. I don't know anything else or about moons or anything like that. And then right at the beginning is to set your feelings and your goals for the year. And so that's where you will journal. And the thing I like about this is it's a lot about journaling. So there is a yearly calendar view there. But the thing that I like about this, it's a lot about journaling. And one of the kind of things that I set myself up for this year is to check in daily for gratitude. So I want to have a daily gratitude practice, and so this will help me. So I'll show you what a day looks like, and it starts on December 30th, which is a Monday this year. And at the top, it's got my core desire feeling. So you can, this is from the workbook, right? So you talk about that. You can skip that if you don't want. They've got a schedule, and what I like about this is it doesn't have time. So I want, like, my schedule's pretty set at the beginning of the day, and so I can write at the time. Sometimes I have meetings, on the hour, on the half hour, and so that I can fill it in there. It has a little bit of a to-do list on this side. It has some notes about body and wellness, so nourishing your body, so eating the right, exercising, whatever that means to you. And then you can have a devotion where you dedicate your day to somebody. I probably won't use this section, but I like that it's there, like space that I can use. And then at the bottom, the reason why I got this is the gratitude practice. So today I'm grateful for, or today I'm grateful because. And so this is where I'm going to journal as well as plan out my day as part of my daily gratitude practice. So it has all of the days, and each of the months here are tabbed. So let's go ahead a little bit. I think you can see February and March there, and then this actually page that I flipped to is kind of nice because it does the whole like month at a glance view. And let's see what some of the other views in here are. I think it just has a month at a glance. At the beginning it did have 2020 and 2021 at a glance, so that can be very helpful. And like I said, it had space to journal in the front for your core desired feelings, and then in the back, so it's got some like of her program stuff. Oh, at the end of each month, it's got a reflection page, so you can reflect on the month past, so how I felt, what's working, what needs to change, any insights and actions, and then you can write them out again for the month coming up. And then there are blank pages at the back for ideas or for additional journaling. So there you have it. This is the Core or the Desire Map Planner by Danielle Laporte. I chose the script font and I chose this kind of pink pastel-y color. And it says, love, radiance, connection, nourishing, and joy. And so if this is a planner that you want to give a shot, I highly recommend it, especially if you want to add journaling as part of your planning process. And I think it's a really helpful way to knock out two birds with one stone. So if you have any questions about this planner or how I like it, please drop a